here. Today we're working on a Stihl MS290. The starter rope is about to break on it. It looks really bad. We're just going to go ahead and replace this starter rope. Let's go ahead and take this starter off here. T27 Torx bit. I like to use this little DeWalt driver. It's very handy. DeWalt DCF 885. Links below for everything I use in this video. Just makes the job a lot easier. Alright, we're going to set this saw aside here while we're working on our starter. We're going to cut the rope off. Pull this knot back out. Take the pressure off of it, let it sit here a second so I can grab my new rope. I'll use this old one for the length. I'm going to go ahead and squirt some WD-40 down in here just to help my rewind spring, give it a little lubrication. We're going to go over here and match this rope up right quick. I cut my rope just a hair long. That way, I can cut a little bit off if I need to. I like to go ahead and burn these ends and kind of put a little point on it as I'm melting it. Just makes it easier to feed through there. Pull it out like that. Go ahead and tie a knot in it, just like that. Once you get a knot in it, once you got your rope tied up, we'll start winding it up. Now you don't want to wind it up till you break the spring. What I usually do is I wind it up as it starts to tighten up and I'm starting to feel resistance. I'm starting to look for the spring to start to bind up and bottom out. I can tell that I'm close here. Okay, it's bottoming out right there. I want to back it off about a turn. Back it off about a turn. That way when you pull your rope all the way out, you're not binding up your spring. Then I'm going to take this little tool here. I believe they're called forceps, but I could be wrong. Run the rope through there like so. Go ahead and put a knot in it. You get a knot in it, boom. Now we're going to release this forceps. Okay, you can see I cut my rope just a little long. It's not going to be a problem. It's all in there. I'm going to stick this down a little bit so that it just makes it look nicer and neater. Go ahead and put this back on here. Alrighty, there we go. Got the rewind done. Be sure to check out my do-it-yourself website for all kind of repair and do-it-yourself videos for the home, the farm, the garden. You'll find all kind of neat projects and repair videos on there. Everything I use in this video, I'll try to put links down below for you. I hope this video saved you some money. I do appreciate you watching. Check back often because I'll be adding new videos all winter long. Thank you very much.